Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your headphones JLab JBuds Lux. So firstly, make sure that your headphones is turned off. If you don't, just press and hold this multifunctional button until you can see that this LED light starts to be red. And after that, press and hold again. So it turn on and then enter to prank mode, and you should wait until it turn off. So you will see the same red LED light here. Here we go, now you can release your finger. And firstly, we should remove it. So press and hold this information icon here. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, press and hold it to turn on your earbuds and wait until the LED light starts flashing blue and red to enter prank mode. Now click on it in the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!